Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs and the Idiot Quilter. And just a reminder that, yes, Walter and I will be live on the air again this week, Sunday, May the 8th, 2022. And it is Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day to all you mothers out there. That didn't sound quite right, but you know what I meant, right? And yeah, I hope you can join us later today during your festivities for Mother's Day. But if you can't, we understand. It's your day after all. But we will be on the air starting at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And join us for whatever. Who knows what we're going to talk about? Um, Walter's been on a course or a workshop, a sewing workshop all week. We'll probably talk a little bit about that. I had a couple of eureka moments yesterday during the pop-up sew day that I want to share with you as well. And yeah, we'll just go from there. So that's today, Sunday, May the 8th, 2022, starting at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye for now.